Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, still onwards, it's still not onwards and upwards, but still sideways, onwards and sideways, and still not indicating that I want to get involved in this just yet. I still want to see a break of 106937 or alternatively 105152. There is diversions here as well, by the way. So there's a swing low, there's a swing lower, and then look at that. So that is diversions, and there are two levels here to this range. So this is the one, and that's the upper end of it. We do have a crossover here. We're still stuck between the moving averages though. So looking like a big rounding bottom to me. So starting to favor looking for longs, but not just yet. There's still too much rejection here at the moment. So the bears are still fighting this right now. And don't forget to smash that like button for me while we move down to the next level. So this week has been big up, big down, big up, and we look like we're forming a flag above the moving averages here. So let's just quickly get down to the lower time frames because there may actually be something here. So we've held above the moving averages. We've got a separation of the oscillators here on the hour, and I'm going to move that level there because that looks like what we are trying to defend. Drop down to the 15 minute and let's have a look what we have. So we are in an upward trend, and this is sort of the zone we'd be targeting, 106937. Yeah, with non-farm payrolls coming out today, we're probably just going to go sideways, to be honest. But maybe something to look out for with the data coming out later this afternoon is how we defend or reject this line. So this is going to be 106256. So if you get price going above it, come back and find support, then you should be good for a long to the upside. If you get price below it and come back and test, I don't think it must test that. It's going to have to test that area there. So it's going to have to come back and test 106100. Then you have a gap here that I think you're going to target. So those are two scalps that I think you may have on offer. But how to play them is going to be tough because I don't think it's going to happen in the morning session. Stranger things have happened, but I think we're going to wait for non-farm payrolls. And if we're waiting for non-farm payrolls, then what you need to do is you need to wait for the 15, 20, 30 minutes after the data is released, let the market settle down, and then come to the charts and have a look to see what's going to happen. Because often what happens with non-farm payrolls is we shoot off in a direction, traps a whole lot of people, and then turns around, reverses in the opposite direction, traps some more people, then comes back and finds structure, and then picks its direction. So it is extremely volatile. So don't just jump in on the move. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I think this week has been pretty quiet on the Euro USD, but there's definitely opportunity brewing. And I think, if we do start breaking the structure to the upside and building a base, there's going to be a pretty decent swing trade on Euro USD going into the end of the year. Anyway, that's kind of me for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend.